Hello there and welcome to this arithmetic test 3. So let's just do a quick example. Question number 18, which is 7/12 take away 5/12. Fraction questions. What we do is, first of all, we just subtract these two numbers by each other. So 7 take away 5 is simply just 2, and then draw the fraction line underneath. And the denominators, because they are exactly the same, we will leave them as being exactly the same. So the answer is 2/12. But here, we need to simplify 2/12 even more to get an even smaller answer. So which number apart from 1 can divide into 2 and 12? So we know that 2 can divide into 2, and 2 can also divide into 12. So let's do this. So 2 divides into 2 once, and 2 can also divide into 12 6 times. So in this case, our answer will be 1/6 or 1/6. Okay. Try your best with the rest of the questions. They're different types of questions: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, also fractions and decimals as well. Good luck with these.